Good day, everyone. My name is Han Nguyen, and today I present a simple but important message. When we design information systems, we are not only building technology, we are shaping how organizations relate to the Earth, to society, and to the future. Sustainability in information systems means using technology with full awareness of its environmental, social, and economic impact. It means remembering that every system we design consumes energy, shapes behavior, and influences whether organizations grow responsibly or recklessly. This presentation explains the key arguments of the article, the stakeholders who shape sustainable IS, the requirements organizations must follow, the emerging technologies that support sustainability, and the opportunities for future research, especially for my dissertation. The article begins with a simple truth. ICT systems now produce 2 to 3% of global CO2 emissions, which is comparable to the aviation industry. Yet these same systems, if designed well, have the potential to reduce emissions across all sectors by up to 5 times their own footprint. This means technology is not the enemy. The real challenge is leadership, strategy, and awareness. Sustainability in IS becomes powerful only when organizations use technology with purpose, measure what they do, and align their designs with long-term good rather than short-term convenience. To understand how sustainable IS develops, we must look at the stakeholder landscape. Governments and watchdogs create rules and expectations. Employees, consumers, and communities experience the effects of technological decisions every day. Investors and risk assessors look at sustainability as a predictor of resilience. Universities and the media generate ideas and awareness. Business partners and competitors respond to, imitate, or pressure each other into adopting better practices. Sustainable IS is never built by one group alone. It is shaped by a full ecosystem where expectations, innovation, and accountability interact. The article also outlines 7 strategic requirements that organizations must follow if they want their IS to become truly sustainable. Leadership is the foundation because leaders set the ethical direction. Strategy ensures sustainability is not an afterthought. Organization structures support implementation. Costing helps companies understand not only the expense, but also the long-term savings. Evaluation and reporting ensure transparency. Benchmarking, guided by standards such as GRI and ISO 14001, helps organizations compare themselves with global best practices. When these 7 requirements work together, sustainability becomes measurable, manageable, and meaningful. Emerging technologies already support sustainable IS in powerful ways. Cloud computing reduces energy waste through large-scale efficiencies. Mobile communications support remote work and reduce unnecessary travel. Social media allows organizations to share information openly and build trust with stakeholders. These technologies are not the solution by themselves. Their impact depends on how wisely and ethically people choose to use them. Technology is only a tool. Human intention determines whether it supports sustainability or contributes to further harm. The article also identifies important gaps. There is limited empirical evidence showing how sustainable IS performs across different industries. Small and medium enterprises are often ignored, even though they make up most of the global economy. No comprehensive maturity model exists to help organizations measure their sustainability progress. These gaps show us that the field needs more research, more structure, and more clarity. From these gaps come valuable dissertation opportunities. I may develop a sustainability maturity model for information systems. I may measure the return on investment of sustainable IS. I may compare the adoption of sustainability practices between SMEs and multinational organizations. I may study how AI can support sustainability while remaining ethical and energy efficient. Each of these topics can contribute to both academic knowledge and practical leadership in the real world. The key takeaway of this presentation is simple. Sustainable information systems require the alignment of strategy, leadership, ethics, and technology. Metrics and benchmarks keep organizations honest. Emerging technologies provide the tools. But the heart of sustainability lies in intention, the intention to design systems that respect people, protect the environment, and create long-term value. When technology serves the earth, technology becomes wisdom. Thank you, and I welcome your questions. When your 19-minute timer rings, read this one slowly, once with more energy, and once with your quiet American. Yen 2 frequency, calm voice, clear eyes, steady breathing. That's how you embody it, not just memorize it. ChatGPT